on Shrimp Parm, Shrimp Parm.
That's right, shrimp parm today. Beverly Goldberg shrimp parm. If you watch the Goldbergs like I do, you know that's one of her mainstay famous dishes. Well, we're doing it today. I've got an 8x8 baking dish. I've layered down some of our marinara sauce and spread it out evenly. I've got a pound of 16 to 18 size shrimp I've already cleaned. Now I'm just taking off the shell and tail. And I'll layer those evenly at the bottom of the dish. While I'm doing that, if you could please like, share, subscribe, hit that bell to stay up to date on newest recipes, and leave a comment if you can. It really helps. Now we'll put on a second layer of marinara sauce. And now I've got some Sargento whole milk shredded mozzarella. I'm going to spread that evenly on top. I find whole milk is just much more flavorful than the other styles that they have, the 2%. We're going to pop this into the oven at 350 for between 30 and 40 minutes, or until nice and golden brown on top. I'm also doing a Italian style asparagus, which will be a different video. We'll come back for that one. And that's what you want. It's ready to eat. All right, thanks for watching. Come back often, and we'll see you on the next video.